Hello, everyone! It is officially time for Christmas decorations. Let's build a magical holiday vibe in this room. And yes, of course, we are going to decorate the tree, too.
To give it that magical glow, I'm starting by wrapping the tree with these tiny wire LED lights. And of course, we need a tree topper. Here is a little trick. I am using an old earring that I don't wear anymore. It fits perfectly. I bought some amazing decorations for this year. I found these delicate bead garlands and soft, thin chains to drape over the branches. But my favorites are these beautiful large pearls. I'm going to turn them into wonderful, oversized baubles for a touch of luxury. I'm starting by carefully gluing down the chain garlands first. Once they are in place, I'm filling the spaces in between with my beautiful pearl baubles and these silver beads from a thicker chain. These chains are actually on a flexible wire, which makes them drape beautifully. It makes it so much easier to shape them naturally around the branches. They look beautiful, don't they? I am so happy with how elegant this combination turned out.
Watch out for your fingers. I have to admit, I sacrificed my fingertips for this tree. I got burned quite a few times, so please use tweezers if you can. I am so pleased with how this turned out. It looks incredibly realistic, almost like a real full-size tree that just got shrunk down. To make the seating area feel extra cozy and festive, I decided to make some small throw pillows using this beautiful Christmas fabric. For a special touch on this pillow, I'm creating a 3D design. I'm gluing down tiny white pom-poms in the shape of a tree. It looks just like a snowy pine.
I also decided to make a tiny tree for the coffee table. For this one, I'm using ribbon and decorating it with these cute snowflake confetti pieces.
How to untangle this? Oops, wrong side. Looking at it now, I don't think the earring quite fits after all. So I decided to swap it for a fluffy white pom-pom instead. That looks much softer. It is time to bring some holiday cheer to the living room. First up, the lights. I think they look lovely hanging on the wall between the artwork and the mirror. And now, the star of the show, the Christmas tree. I'm placing it right here next to the armchair. The best part is, I can easily tuck the battery pack behind the chair so it stays completely hidden. this macrame doesn't really fit the vibe anymore. Let's take it down and tidy up this space.
I also have a few cool ornaments that work perfectly for a miniature dollhouse. For example, look at these tiny skis. They are just the right scale.
Let's place our little tree right here on the coffee table. The shelf underneath is the perfect hiding spot for the battery pack. It stays completely out of sight.
Time to add our new festive pillows. They really complete the look of the living area.
Also have this sweet ceramic tree. It looks perfect sitting right by the hearth. I also found these Santa Claus figures. They are actually ornaments from my big Christmas tree, but they fit perfectly here as decorations. And look at this wonderful nutcracker. I absolutely love him.
And of course, there must be presents under the tree. Here is a little secret. Mine are actually just old jewelry boxes. They are the perfect size.
I actually bought these adorable little sleighs together with the skis. I'm placing them right under the tree. They look just like a wonderful Christmas gift waiting to be used. I also found this cute mailbox prop with a gnome. It fits perfectly in the corner. Finally, to dress up the table, I'm laying down a tablecloth and scattering these tiny snowflakes and angels for a festive dinner look. I had so much fun creating this, and I am absolutely delighted with the final result. And what about you? Have you decorated your miniature room for Christmas yet? If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I would also be very grateful for any boosts to help the channel grow. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.